Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Today we're talking about a plant that seems to have decided it's tired of just sitting around. Yep, it's the walking plant. You might have seen it online with hashtags like hashtag cotton camera and hat wildlife, looking like something out of a sci-fi movie. But is this plant really out here taking a stroll, or is it just a clever plant cosplay? In the video, this plant appears to move, not in the slow way we expect, but in real time like it's late for a meeting. And yes, it has that dramatic Archive X vibe, like we bring you mysteries that science doesn't want you to know. The internet is buzzing with gasps and theories, maybe even plotting plant gym memberships. But let's be real, plants don't just walk around like little green zombies. Walking plant moves much faster than any known natural plant behavior, which is the core reason it's scientifically implausible. The closest we get are Venus flytraps snapping shut, fast but tiny, Mimosa pudica folding its leaves when touched, or vines slowly curling around things. So unless Mother Nature learned TikTok tricks, this walking plant is suspiciously fake. Some say it might be AI generated or just a clever hoax, and it's done well enough to make you question reality. The takeaway? The walking plant isn't real, but it reminds us that not everything viral is genuine. Next time you see a plant doing the cha-cha, remember, plants are awesome, but mostly lazy. If you like this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to D Reviews for more wild internet mysteries, and comment below with the weirdest thing you've seen online. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and don't believe every viral video is real.